Hello, it's Amanda, and today I'm so excited to be here to talk to you about rose oil. When we think of roses, like who doesn't love roses, right? And Doug and I have now had the opportunity to go to Bulgaria twice. We've been there and to see the actual rose harvest. And so today I thought it'd be kind of fun in this YouTube video to talk about the different doTERRA products that have rose oil in them. And rose is very, very precious because it takes a lot of rose petals, about 105 pounds of rose petals to make this one 5 ml bottle of oil. And we like to call rose the queen of oils. It's an oil that we probably don't talk about enough, just as amazing as frankincense that you hear a lot about a lot of the time. But this is rose, and rose, this bottle right here at the wholesale pricing is $275. And the reason is because the rose petal flowers are so delicate, they have to be hand picked. And the rose season in Bulgaria is only about 3 to 4 weeks. And where these roses grow, in an area that we like, it's called the Valley of the Roses. And it's a setting in between like two mountains. And the roses grow very, very well there. And so this is Damask rose. It's been for hundreds of years in Bulgaria. And this is 100% pure in this little bottle. And it's really normal. I want to share this with you because I've had people that thought their rose oil went bad or was no longer usable. But rose will crystallize, okay? So if you ever see that your bottle, this one actually is a little bit thick right now, you see crystals in here and it's a little bit thick and maybe it won't come out of the bottle, all you need to do with your rose is simply hold it in your hand like this, let it warm up a little bit, and you will be able to drop it out, okay? And the other thing about rose oil, when the farmers pick it, they have to pick it by hand. There's no machinery used in the picking of the rose petals, and it has to be done in the morning before the hot sun comes out. And then the other thing that happens is that it has to go into the distillery and be distilled within the same day that it was picked to get the same pure, consistent quality of the rose oil that we use. And so rose oil, what is it good for? The queen of oils. So we think everything hormone health, memory, brain support, skin health. It's probably been the most prized and most used over the years for skin health. You literally can put it in, some castor oil, other mixtures, and just put it on your skin. Sensitive skin areas, you can use rose oil for that. But really, really a powerhouse. Great for boosting up immune system and things like that also. And so that's the pure oil. Now, what else do we have from doTERRA? We make it more affordable and already have it pre-made in a roller bottle. So this is the pure rose oil with coconut oil in an easy to roll roller. This is a $72 bottle, so definitely makes it so we can get it in our hands. This is one that I carry in my purse with me all the time. I love it. I love it for just confidence, energy, motivation throughout the day. It's a beautiful, pure fume, right? A non-toxic way to smell really great. The other thing I was going to tell you about the roses in Bulgaria, they are pink roses. All of the roses that are harvested and distilled for doTERRA are pink, and they have an amazing smell. It's very different than the roses that we typically see in the United States, where they just don't have a lot of smell. These are very fragrant. Everywhere you go around the rose fields smells like beautiful roses. So a roller bottle is another form. This rose lotion is really cool. And it has rose, of course, the rose from Bulgaria. And it's just a really nice natural lotion, doesn't have a lot of other toxins or anything like that. But the thing I really like about the lotion, 100% of the proceeds of this product goes to doTERRA's Healing Hands Foundation. And doTERRA's Healing Hands Foundation is a nonprofit organization. 100% of the money donated to Healing Hands goes directly to projects. And we do projects literally all over the world where we have where we grow our essential oils. We do a lot of projects in the communities where our farmers live and work. We do projects in the United States. We do hygiene kits when there's emergencies all around the United States, whether it be flooding, tornadoes. These hygiene kits can be sent out right on the ground, right when needed. So it does, the Healing Hands supports a lot of different things, but this product is just kind of a special one that 100% of the money from all the sales of the lotion actually go to the nonprofit. So it's kind of a fun one, and it definitely smells like the beautiful rose. A couple times a year, we get this beautiful rose hydrosol, and it's just a nice, beautiful spritz for your skin. You can even smell it on, spray it on as like a perfume in your hair, but really a nice face mist. It always comes out once a season. After the harvest, it becomes available, and then we start making it for the next year. So it's usually available just for a few months of the year, but it does have the precious rose. And this is moringa oil with rose in it, and it's a great skin moisturizer. And these are the 2 rose items that we have limited time, but they do come back year after year. And then the final product that I want to mention on today's video that has rose oil is called Immortelle. And this roller is all pure essential oils. There's no coconut oil in here. So you do pay a little bit more for it, but I want to read to you the oils that are in this one. It's amazing. It's frankincense, the king of oils. I mentioned that one earlier. Lavender, sandalwood, myrrh, helichrysum, and rose. And so this roller is 100% oils. My husband and I, every single morning, we roll this one on our face, but really great for healthy skin, dark skin spots, issues, irritations. A lot of the oils that are in here are very good for eye health, so we like to roll it right under our eyes. But this is the final one I was going to talk about today that has the rose oil in it. So I hope that you learned something new about rose oil. A little bit more, I'll have my other video about the trip to Bulgaria, where I'm going to go more in depth about the rose harvest and the things that we did in Bulgaria. So make sure you check out that video also. Thank you so much for following my YouTube channel. I really hope that you'll subscribe and share with friends.